Hello, friends, students, and enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. So again, today, one more project. In this project presentation, we'll discuss one more project, little different from other projects that I will explain you. That is smart obstacle awareness. That is, it is aware of the obstacle, a robotic car, using ESP32, mobile dashboard, and motor control. So let's see what is there in this obstacle car. This projects builds an intelligent robotic car that can detect obstacle using an ultrasonic sensor and a collision. That is, it will stop avoiding collisions. Follow a line using IR sensor. There are two sensors, that is left line and right line. They have used an IR sensor. So that will be following those lines. For that, I've used IR sensor 2. So monitor temperature and humidity using DTH sensor for monitoring the temperature and humidity of the car, of the atmosphere, you can say. So we are using that sensor also. And we also have a display on the top of the car, that is the real display, that will tell you about the time, date, and web dashboard. So that is ESP32 web service is also there. There is a display and there is a web service also. Apart from this, we have used 3 LEDs. That is, you have a, which will be indicating whether the obstacle is there, what is the condition of the car. So SSD1306 showing the display, and also an RGB LED, which will be giving you the complete details. What are the details? Achha, once again, we will just study what are the hardware components used. The ESP32, you can use any ESP32. You can use the smaller one, C3 also. I have used ultrasonic sensor, that is SR04. IR sensor, that is 2 IR sensor. We can use 4 also if it is going back. If you want to put it on the reverse of your robotic car. Okay, so DTH sensor 11 or 12, TST 12 or 11, you can use it. LN298N, 293D motor driver, you have to use it to drive the robotic car. Then you have a chassis. You can see here, this is the chassis, you have to assemble it. And you have SSD1306 I2C display, that is, you can see on the corner. A few of the RGB LED common cathode, you can use it, you can see it here, and jumper wires and batteries. So these are the main components what we have used. Okay, so these are the pin connection diagram. That is how the DTH pin is connected to GPI 4. IR sensor, that is left IR is connected to 34, that is GPI 34, and right IR is connected to GPI 35. Same SR04, that is ultrasonic sensor, is connected to GPI 5 and 18 simultaneously, and OLED is compulsory connected to 21 and 22 according to the connection, that is SD and SCM. Motor driver connection also I have given it here, 14, 27, 26, 25, which will control the motor function front, back, left, and right. Then we have also used RGB LED. That is, one is connected to 12, 13, and 15 according to the colors. And this is working with 5-volt DC. Either it can be a battery. So we have used a battery over here. Okay, so this is a walkthrough diagram, just a diagram for your this thing. That whatever the components we have used, how it is interconnected with the ESP32. So simple diagram. Okay, now we'll study the control logic. So obstacle less than 20 centimeter, that is auto stop. It is, we call it as a safety. Manual control works only if obstacle is there. Okay. Web command uses simple HTTP rules, that is left, right, up, and down. Okay, that I will show you. Then we have also used, I told you, red, green, blue LED. That is red will stand obstacle. That is, if the red comes, then there is obstacle. Green, it's a movement. That is, it is moving. There is no obstacle. And blue is ideal. Okay. So application where we use this project, what you can name this project: smart surveillance robot, autonomous delivery robot, STEM and robotic training, and IoT robotic learning kit, or IoT based robot. Let's go to our lab and check out the real project. Here in our lab now, you can see I have connected it. So these are the 2 batteries I have used. This is my motor driver. This is my ESP32, and this is my display. So sensors here, you can see on this board, I have used DST11. And there are 2 IR sensors, which are here. You can see the green light and one more light over here. And this is my ultrasonic sensor. All right. So if ultrasonic sensor, I will just start it again. I will just switch off the button and switch it on. As you can see, it is working now. So if suppose I put my hand, let's see what happens. So this is following the line, like blue light is coming. And also, see, you can see Now it is going to other side. So stopped because I have put my hand, that is 20 centimeter. You can see I will just remove it and it automatically starts. Okay. And likewise, at the same time, it is also showing, I will just show it to you. I made it like this. But you can see here is a distance, temperature, and humidity. Okay. I hope you can see this distance, temperature, and humidity. So this is a project, very simple, robotic based for beginners, for related to IoT. You can do it. So I will give you the codes and all the explanations. Now, the codes part. So these are the codes which I will be sharing with you. OLED Wi-Fi. I've given my password and ID over here, and how the connections have been made, and the this thing, that means the motor driver connections and the logics. And this is your HTTP code, how it will be displayed. So you can see here, I have shown it on the screen also. You can see it will be looking like this on the screen. Suppose if I run this, you can see I will just run it. It is running. I can stop it. I can put it on the other side. I can stop it. I can left it on this thing. And as well as you can see here, the temperature, distance, and humidity both are same. It will be same like your what we had it here, right? Like exactly, this is a very small display, so I will not be able to show it to you. I will try to show it to you. So like you can see here, the display part, right? And my web dashboard. So I can control my robot with the help of this, as well as it will be autonomous. Autonomous, when it will be autonomous, okay, the red light has come. You can see a red light here, that RGB LED, the red light has come over here. Okay, so this is a simple project, very easy. I'll give you the codes and I hope you will like it. If you like it, please follow my channel and make some comments. Thank you for watching.